The next day at 9 Chuacho, I arrived at the Ministry of Internal Affairs. At the entrance, they asked me, "Who are you going to see?" I told Nazarov Kudra Tulo I was sent to General Zukurov. They called and asked. My words were confirmed. Then they allowed me in. I entered the ministry and found Colonel Nazarzoda's office. He was the head of the Criminal Investigation Department. I knocked on the door from behind, but there was no sound. Then I opened the door and no one was there. I was about to close the door when a man came out of the inner room. A man with a bald head and short stature. I said hello, introduced myself, and said that General Zukurov sent me to you. This man looked at me as if he was seeing the girl for the first time in his life. He invited me to sit down. I sat down and told the story of the debtor. It seemed to me that he did not even listen to me and looked at me as if I were a thirsty person. Suddenly someone called,